my ass.
That's ridiculous.
Yes. Oh, dude. Your CV, your whole CV axle's just spinning in goop.
Yeah.
It has no problem turning those things though.
No, not at all.
The belt, you don't even hear the belt engage. See Smart Lock doing its thing. Probably need to go out now. You got it. Dude. You can go in, I'll feed it in. Woo! That's awesome. 34.5. That's a mean ass tire.
That's crazy.
Nice! I made a wave! The wave worked! No! Badass Rancho ride here. This is mostly my XMR 700 and an XMR Sport Maverick. Super cool ride though. That was just a teaser. I got through about half the footage in this video. There'll be a part 2 coming out later this week. If you're paying attention, that XMR Sport did pop a rear axle in the nasty clay hole. He was throttling up for a water wheelie and caught onto something, and those V-treads bit and it sheared the axle at the inner cup. Otherwise, that XMR Sport did awesome. If you like what you see here, like and subscribe and check out the Patreon page. The same mud I was testing out Richard's machine in. Let's see how this one does. That's soupy. Four-wheel drive. Now these got some good gearing.
Oh yeah. It's really low.
Yeah, it's just, I like when a belt drive can creep them like that. So the weather said it wasn't going to rain when I checked it this morning, and it's just pouring, but it'll stop soon, I think. You gotta lock the front end. Dude, it's rare to find rocks in Florida. Yeah! Whoa, 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 whoa! Just stop spinning. Let us pull you. You're almost out. Go ahead. Yeah, there it is. Yee! Look how tall that snorkel is.
Yeah.
So to be completely honest, it took me about 5 minutes to work my way through this hole. I think some Outlaws actually might have been better in this situation because they're a little fatter. These 33 Aztecs were kind of sinking through the mud. But I got through it. I had to kind of chew through it, make it a little more watery at the bottom, then I was able to work through the rut I dug. Had to kind of stir it up to kind of paddle through it. This is about half the footage. I'm bored of editing and this video is already too long, so I'm just going to upload it as is, but there'll be another one later this week.